Gum, gum, gum. Oh. Hey, Zingzillas! It's 2023! Big scene, big scene! Not that drum. We're gonna get ready to go for that one. Well, the Zingzillas doing nothing. Oh, we might get it that. Happy great days, I wonder what the Zingzillas will have to say first. Whew. Okay, you guys, you better wear this. Come on, let's go in the glade. Yay! Gravel, where's the 2023 gonna be decided? I don't know, Granite. Maybe we should make up that. Oh, hey. But what about going to the glade? Maybe. Oh, yeah. Kabeel! Oh, look. Look, Granite, look. What is it, Gravel? Oh, it's coconut number 1. Done. Done, doing. Only 3 more to go until the big sin. Right, so it's about time, right? What are you going to smell? Why? Oi, McDonald's with it. Oh. Bravo, this is the place where we're going to live. Oh. Is this the glade? Yeah, we're in the glade. Wait, no? Yay, glade! Hi, DJ. Hello, Zach. Hello, Ted. Hi, Pansy. Hi, John. You better why before cat is supposed to move, right? Why? Well, you better watch this. Why do you get that pig? I got it for the phone. What? Better watch this.
Wow, what is it, DJ? Well, it is.
I don't want to make up this. What is this? It's a didgeridoo pig.
And he's holding a didgeridoo.
I hope he doesn't want it.
Wowdy!
Yay! Woo! That's great! Yeah! That's so good! Okay? Going to the clubhouse. You better surprise! The clubhouse is way over there. The clubhouse is over there. Thank you, singing beach birds. Right. Go and get ready for the big scene. Big scene. Do 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 do. Beach birds, no! I hope we count them the singing beach birds. Wow! Going to the glade. Clubhouse. Okay, DJ. Come on, Tan. Oh dear, Granite. Everybody's coming here. I hope we didn't have them all reach. I think it's time for us to move out. You're right. It's time to leave. We are moving out. Okay, you guys. Today's the day. It's the final years for it. What's the worst that could happen? How am I supposed to say this? Hello, Zingzillas. Oh, what's that sound? Yeah, better watch that sound. You better watch the fucking word that sound. Drum is doing great. We better work about that. So enough. Hey, wait, where's Mr. Gravy and Mr. Gravel gone? Kabeel! Oh crap! I can't hold it much longer. Teen Zingzillas, you gotta tell the stones. The last coconut is about to fall. Mr. Gravel, it's the second coconut. You need to go and count it. We're on our way, Pansy. Hey, Gravel, we are moving out. Mr. Gravel, wait! Back in my spot. Where are you, Gravel? I might hear grenade because it's high up. It's coconut number 2. I guess. Done. Why? Only 2 more to go to the vixen. Gravel, are you okay? They're making me want to. Uh-oh! 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 Cover your ears before she... Uh-oh! Are you okay? Ow! You hope nice, Gravel. Uh-oh. Take cover. Yeah, that was sunny days. What's that sound? Uh-oh. Oh no, watch out! Ouch. Ow! She's going to that prickly bush. Whoa, whoa. Ow! Ow! What's the matter, Gravel? I hit the bar and it hit the banana skin. Gravel is okay, really. Kabeel! Oh no! Look! It's coconut number 3. Achoo! Done! Aye. Only 1 more just to go and tell the big thing. I ain't gonna go to sleep. No, I'm going back to sleep. Hey, why don't go to sleep? Yeah. Gravel! Gravel, wake up! Gravel, wake up! Wake up! Wake up, Gravel! Wake up! What? careful. What's the matter? Hi, Zingzillas. I have the worst dream. Oh, look very great on you. Yes, the weekend is very white and great. Just look. The coconut clock needs some makeover. Can we make it to a new coconut clock? Yay! Oh, and now we have fucking this one. And they're only just in time because it's the last coconut. It's time for the big It's the time of the day when we like to say it's Big Sin time. So take it away. Hello everybody! Yeah! We look great in our costumes. Today it's 2023! Woo! And this song we're gonna sing the fucking bitch song. Swan song. So let's do it!
Sometimes you special words walk the streets there and they reside in your brain. Come out when you're pain, when you're mad, when you're sad, that's a thing going to sing this song.
Fuck, piss, stick this shit.
Fuck like asshole, fuck face, it's grow up bastard in the mix. Pussies, runs, and fucking heretics. Lots of filth is what you say when you have a dicky day. When you feel frustration grow, let the fruit begin to flow. When you're mad, when you're sad, that's a thing going to sing this song.
Fuck, piss, stick this shit. Cook white hands, no fuck face, it's grow up bastards in the mix.
Pussies, rats, and fucking heretics.
Are you ready, Tom? Fancy a drum? Yeah.
Fuck face, stick this shit. Cook white hands, no fuck face, it's grow up bastard in the mix. Pussies, rats, and fucking heretics. Touching ballers, rock and fuck. Snakes, balls, rats, fucker, wank, and fuck. Excellent, fuck, all bloody freak. Motherfucker, son of you stupid dick.
Yeah! Woohoo! Gling, 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 gling. That's it for Santa Line for today. Come and see us again very, very soon. Santa